Hi, my name's Curt Williams. I'm a graduate of Heinz College's Public Policy, Management, and Data Analytics program, and this is my story. When I was working in Cleveland for a nonprofit, I did a lot of work around digital equity, and that meant making sure that everybody in the community were able to access broadband internet. We think about the way that somebody can take a bus and then transfer a bus just to go to the bank to drop off a check. All of a sudden 3 hours of their day are gone, what's called a time tax, and how important that is to be able to, hey, I just scanned the check and 3 seconds it's already there. They might not have all of the understanding of what security is, what privacy is, and what's being collected about them. And so I saw all these people gaining access to technology, which is so great and so important. But what are we doing if we don't have security, privacy, or other ethical considerations baked into this? That's why I kind of want to move forward in the privacy realm. There aren't a lot of programs that really do a good job of combining public policy and the technical side and data science, and this is one of them. I had the statistics background, but I was only able to take it so far, and I was able to do the things, but I wasn't necessarily able to communicate them, and so that's why I was looking for a master's degree to really hone in on those skills. I think that I'll be able to use most moving forward is coding skills in terms of both Python and R were two of the ones that we're focused on here at Heinz. The ability to use those to do things that I couldn't do before. The Government Accountability Office actually uses their internship to hire full-time individuals, and so it's kind of an audition where they say, well, we'll see if this is a match. If you like us and if we like you, then we want to be able to offer you after your internship. I was fortunate enough to be a match for them, and so I'll be there full-time. My overarching career philosophy is to make government work better, work more effectively, efficiently, and compassionately for the people that it's supposed to serve. And I think that Heinz does a great job in kind of fostering that and developing that, but also introducing me to people who also have the same or similar goals, to be able to have that network, people who can hold me accountable to continue to pursue that, and who I can learn from moving into the future.